Did you know that in olden day Igbo land, a married woman had her own separate hut in her husband's compound? Yes. And if a man had many wives, each wife had her own hut, a kitchen, and a farmland known as Ale Denne, where she grows cocoyam, cassava, and vegetables. Now, I want to talk about how a mother's property is shared when she's no more. Traditionally, her hut and kitchen utensils go to her last born son. Her wife will add the utensils to her own kitchen and cook with them for him. The last born son also inherits the mother's farmland, Aledenne. If the mother left behind some good clothes, the clothes will be shared among all her children, starting with the Ada, the first daughter. If the clothes were not enough, some other items could be used to balance it. This sharing of clothes is seen as the last clothes their mother bought for them. If the mother was enterprising and had money or bought lands, the properties would be sold and the proceeds shared among all her children, male and female. In Igbo culture, a mother does not discriminate. That's why all her children inherit from her. But the big question now is, why does the last born son get the greater share of his mother's property?